Hello, sixth graders. I'm going to quickly recap your assignment from yesterday that was on the 10.2 lesson on histograms. You had to do 11, 12, 14, and 15. 11, 12, and 14 were multiple choice questions. Then 15 was one where you had to fill in some information in the boxes. One thing I noticed when I was looking through this homework assignment is you really need to read carefully because a lot of the phrases sound exactly the same, but then if you dig into them a little bit more, you see that it's not quite accurate. So question number 11 says, describe and correct the error made in reading the histogram. So it has the amount of time to download songs, and you see the frequency. So it took 1 to 4 seconds for 10 songs. It took 5 to 8 seconds for 12 songs, 9 to 12 seconds for 8 songs, and then 13 to 16 seconds for 6 songs. And they made the statement 12% of the songs took 5 to 8 seconds to download. Well, this is not telling me percent, this is telling me frequency. So I know that that's a mistake that they made. There is a frequency of 12 songs, meaning there's 12 songs that took 5 to 8 seconds, but that's not 12%. So when I read through the first statement, it says the frequency is the number of songs, not the percent of songs. That sounds right. But then the statement they say is 5 to 8 of the songs took 12 seconds to download. And that's not accurate. It's 5 to 8 seconds, and then it's 12 songs took that long. So they just have that worded the wrong way. Second one says the frequency is the number of songs, not the percent of songs. That's right. The statement should be 12 of the songs took 5 to 8 seconds to download. And that is the accurate one. So the correct choice for the first one was the second one right here. Question number 12 said, the histogram shows the percent of the voting age population that voted in a recent presidential election. Which statement is supported by the graph? Well, question part A says only 40% of one state voted, and that can't actually be determined by this graph because that range is 40 to 44.9%, so you can't say it was only 40%. B says in most states, between 50 and 64.9% voted. And that would be true because if you look at these three bars here, between 50 and 64.9, that is where the most states are. So the correct answer for number 12 would be B. Number 14 says, the data displays show how many pounds of garbage apartment residents produced in 1 week. Which data display can you use to find how many residents produce more than 25 pounds of garbage and explain? Well, here we have a histogram, but the range of the histogram down here is 20 to 29. So it would be hard for me to determine which residents produce 25 pounds specifically or more. But if you look at the stem and leaf plot, we see there's 25, and then you can see the numbers that are greater than 25. So I would say it's going to be the stem and leaf plot, but now I need to narrow it down between these two. So stem and leaf plot, it gives specific data values, but the intervals in the histogram do not give enough information. And then it says stem and leaf plot or histogram both give specific data values. And that one can't be it because the histogram doesn't give you that specific number. So the correct answer would be this one, the stem and leaf plot. Last question here says, the data displays how many pounds of garbage residents produced in 1 week. And you can see the same histogram and the stem and leaf plot. Part 15 says, determine whether you can make each statement by using the data displays. Explain your reasoning. One resident produced 10 pounds of garbage. Well, my answer to this one would be yes, because I can see one resident had 10 here on this stem and leaf plot. So I would say yes, the stem and leaf plot shows that the 10 pounds is a data value. Part B, the statement is 12 residents produced between 20 and 29 pounds of garbage. And I can see that that's not the case on this one because it's 11 right here. So I would say no, neither of the data plots. Both displays show that 11 residents produced the 20 to 29 pounds of garbage. I could see that on here, but you can see the number here is 11. So both data displays show that 11 residents produced that amount of garbage. So I would say no on this one. Thank you for watching. Now go on to the lesson video for the 10.3 activity.